Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic steering wheel emblem. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. After disconnecting, wait for about 10 minutes to allow any residual power to fully dissipate. Gather your tools, including a small flathead screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and some rubbing alcohol for cleaning. Now, let's move on to removing the old emblem. Begin by carefully inserting a thin plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape under the edge of the existing emblem. Work slowly and gently around the entire perimeter, applying slight upward pressure. The goal is to loosen the adhesive without damaging the steering wheel surface. Once the emblem is sufficiently loose, you can gently peel it off. With the old emblem removed, the next vital step is preparing the surface for your new one. Take a clean cloth and some rubbing alcohol, then thoroughly clean the area where the emblem was. This removes any leftover adhesive residue, dirt, or oils that could prevent your new emblem from sticking properly. Ensure the surface is completely dry before moving forward. A clean, dry surface is key for a strong bond. Finally, it's time to install your brand new emblem. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the new emblem, exposing the adhesive. Align the emblem perfectly with the indentation on your steering wheel. Once aligned, press it firmly and evenly across the entire surface for about 30 seconds to ensure maximum adhesion. After the emblem is securely in place, reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Enjoy your refreshed steering wheel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.